Hi everybody, it's Christopher Hart, your cartoonist author, and I'm glad to be back. Everybody said to me, don't do the drawings on a tablet, or a lot of people said that. They want me to do the hand-drawn ones where I speak, and so I'm doing it and listening to you, and thank you for your interest. I hope you're also glad to be back. So today, I'd like to show you a technique, which is a lot of fun for character design. It's from my brand new book, The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons. And it is about character design, as I mentioned, and it's where you put the features, not how you draw the features. So let's start with a kind of easy character shape for the head, like this. Make it kind of symmetrical. You see, it's symmetrical in that these curves here are along in the same place on both sides. That's symmetry right there. And the chin is also centered right over the chin here. So this is a symmetrical look. And we'll bring the neck down here. It's a medium size, a little curve in that. Bring down this center line. And we can darken these in as we go. And now I will put in an eye line right here. A lot of people put it right in the middle. Of course, on a real person, it is in the middle. And if you put it somewhere else, it's going to look mighty weird. But this is where it goes here. We'll put some eyes right here. Actually, I should do that in pencil because I'm going to change it. So, let me put this here. One cartoony eye over here. And one cartoony eye over here. And I'm still being symmetrical. And you might say, Chris, how is that symmetrical? And I would say, wait, it is, and I'll show you how. This is it. First of all, of course, you realize that this eye, the inner tear duct, is as far from here as this tear duct is from here, without being absolutely precise. But it's also equally important, and some people miss this, to make sure this is as far from this as this is from that. It's very important. Okay, now I will give a nose, and we'll indicate part of it, not the whole thing when I get too detailed. And how about a little smile? We'll draw the smile first before the lips, just the line of the smile, a little crease here, and indicate a little lip here, and the shadow under the bottom lip. See that? And we'll give them long eyebrows. These sort of style now for feature film cartoons is long eyebrows. I still see people doing those little short curves. It's not as common. So you might want to just try this, see if you like this style. You can always do any style you like. Okay, then we'll give them a little bit of hairdo, and I will not make this symmetrical. And does anybody know why? You in the back. Actually, there's nobody here but me. The reason is because if everything is symmetrical, then it's boring. You got to make some changes. Too many changes and nothing seems stable. So we'll just give them some hair here and kind of float it up a little bit on the side so it leans a little on this side. And I'm going to narrow this down just a touch on both sides. You know, as you go, see how you like it. See if you think that you want to change it a little bit. Because if you think it needs to be changed, but you started a certain way, you can't do it. Who says you can't do it? It's your drawing. Okay, you see ear here. All right, so now do you see that? It's kind of light, but I haven't finished it yet. I'm going to build this out, straighten that out a little bit. Yeah, like that. And I'll even bring this more to the side. See, commit a little bit, commit. So it doesn't look a little like this, a little like that. It looks like it's to the left. Okay, now, I'll give him a little slightly open mouth. Yeah, see, I got a friendly little smile. Okay, now, what happens to this character if we want to change the look? Well, maybe we'll take this line, this eye line, and we'll lift it just a little bit. Just a little bit, and you'll see it'll look different. Watch. I know, I hate to erase it too, I liked it. But I want to make a point. Story of my life. I should never have done that. Ah! No, so, let's bring it up a little bit. Like this. And because it's closer to the forehead, to the top of the head, we'll make the eyes a little bit smaller. Otherwise, it'd be a little weird that they're so big, so high up on the head. So you always have to make adjustments based on the adjustments. I'm going to adjust it, make it higher. Well, I'll make the eyes a little different. I'll make the eyes look up a little bit. And I'll bring this nose a little higher up, like that. I'll make the eyeballs a little bigger. Same long eyebrows. Now I'm going to make the mouth a little wider because he's so tall, I don't want the mouth to look too insignificant. It's competing against that forehead full of stuff. So, and also, how about we get the hair out a little further? So it has slightly, if you ask me, it's up to you how you feel, a little goofier feeling this way than it did the other way. I'm going to be more definitive about the part. Boom, there's the part. So that's an idea, and it comes from my book, The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons. As you can see, I've done that here. I put the eyes down on this character and way up on the same character. It has a different look, has a different angle. Well, thank you for joining me again. I really appreciate it. It's good to be back. Stay with me, please subscribe, and I bring new videos out. I will bring them again every Monday. Thanks. Bye-bye.